Very good morning, dear students. Today I am going to take one revision class on surface area and values. Listen well. Why? Because after this class we have the exam. Here is the first question in revision class. Find the stand height of the cone with radius 5.6 centimeters and curved surface area 158.4 centimeters square. Here, find the stand height of the cone. It means I don't know the stand height of the cone. With radius 5.6 centimeters and curved surface area 158.4 centimeters square. Solution. Here one cone thing. So this is the base radius of the cone and this is the height of the cone and this is nothing but stand height of the cone. Here what is the base radius here? 5.6 centimeters. Base radius R is equal to 5.6 centimeters. I don't know the length of the slant height and also I don't know the length of the height. But I know the curved surface area of cone is equal. What is that? 158.4 centimeters square. What is the formula to find curved surface area of the cone? Pi RL is equal to 158.4. What is the value of the pi? The value of the pi is 22/7. What is the radius here? 5.6. Into L means stand height I don't know is equal 158.4. So decimals I am going to convert as a fractions. 22/7 into 5.6 you can write 56/10 into L is equal 1584/10. Here 10 and 10 cancel. Now I need the value of L. L is equal 1584 into 7 by 22 into 56. 7 ones are 7 eights are 11 twos are 22. 11 ones are 11. Remaining 4 48. 11 fours are 44. Remaining 4. 11 fours are 44. Next, 8 ones are 8. 8 ones are 8. Remaining 6, 64. 8 eights are 64. 2 ones are 2 nines are. So, slant height of the cone is nothing but 9 meters. Here I know the value of the radius and also I know the value of the curved surfaces. So, I need the value of slant height. So, finally, slant height of the given cone is equal to 9 meters. Here is the next question in division class. A joker's cap in the palm of a cone. A joker's cap in the palm of a cone with base radius 6 centimeters and height 8 centimeters. Find the required paper sheet to prepare such an caps. Here solution. Here one joker's cap there. The cap is in the palm of cone. With base radius R is equal to 6 centimeters. With base radius R is equal to 6 centimeters and height of that cap is nothing but H is equal to 8 centimeters. H is equal to 8 centimeters. Here one joker's cap is in the form of a cone with base radius 6 centimeters and height 8 centimeters. Now, curved surfaces area cap, it means joker caps. It is nothing but curved surfaces area cone. Why? Because the cap is in the form of a cone. What is the formula here? Pi RL. R means radius, L means standard. but here I don't know the value of the standard. What is the formula to find the value of standard? L square is equal to R square plus H square. Why? Because here one right angle triangle is formed. According to Pythagoras theorem, square of the one side is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. By using that, we can write the formula of the standard. L square is equal to R square plus H square. What is the radius here? R is equal to 6 centimeters. So R square means 6 square. H square means 8 square. So 36 plus 64 is equal to 100. L square is equal to 100. L is equal to 100 centimeters. Now what is the standard? What is the standard of the cap? 10 centimeters. Now I need area of the paper sheet to require area of the paper sheet to make such 10 caps. So area required paper sheet to prepare such 10 caps is equal to 10 into curved surfaces area. Joker cap means cone. So what is the formula? 10 into pi RL. 10 into what is the value of the pi? 22 by 7 into radius 6 centimeters into standard 10 centimeters. So 10 tens are 100. 22 by 7 we get 3.14 into 6 is equal 6 4s are 24. 6 1s are 6 plus 2 8. 6 3s are 18. So 100 into then here 1884 centimeters square. So area of the required paper sheet is equal to 1884 centimeters square. The height of a tent. The height of a tent is 9 meters. Its base diameter 24 centimeters. What is its stand height? It means solution. The tent is in the shape of a cone. The tent is in the shape of a cone. What is the base diameter? Base diameter D is equal to 24 meters. And height of the tent H is equal to 9 meters. Here one tent, it is in the shape of a cone. Base diameter of the tent is nothing but 24 meters. And the height of the tent is 9 meters. Here I don't know the length of stand height. So what we can write here? To find the stand height, L square is equal to R square plus H square. What is the value of the stand height here? I don't know the value of stand height. But what is the base radius? Here diameter given. Radius is half of the diameter is equal to 24 by 2 is equal to 12 meters. Here R square means 12 square, H square means 9 square. Is equal to 144 plus 81 is equal to 225. L square is equal to 225. L is equal under root of 225. What is the value of the stand height here? What is the square root of 225? 15. So stand height of that cone is nothing but 15 meters. Next, what I need here? Find the cost of the canvas. So he is making the tent with the canvas. You have to find the cost of the canvas. Cost of the canvas class is nothing but 14 per meters. So total cost is equal curved surface area of cone into 14. Curved surface area of cone into 14. What is the curved surface area of cone? Pi RL into 14. Pi means 22 by 7 into. What is the value of the radius here? 12 meters. What is the value of the stand height here? 15 into 14. 7 1s are 7 2s are is equal 12 2s are 24. 12 2s are 24. 24 plus 2 26. 15 2s are 30. $6,900. 920 rupees. Here next question. Find the surface area and volume of a sphere whose base radius is 21 centimeters. Here one sphere there. What is the radius of that sphere? 21 centimeters. Radius of the sphere is nothing but 21 centimeters. First solution. First what I need here? I need surface area of sphere. What is the formula to find surface area of sphere? 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square. So 4 into, what is the value of pi? 22 by 7 into r square means 21 into 21. 7 ones are 7 threes are. It is nothing but 88 into 63. So multiply the answer and write in centimeter square. Next, volume of the sphere. What is the formula? 4 by 3 pi r cube. So 4 by 3 into pi means 22 by 7 into r cube means 21 into 21 into 21. 7 ones are 7 threes are. 3 ones are 3 threes are. It is 88 into 441. 88 into 441. 8 ones are 8. 8 fours are 32. 8 fours are 32 plus 3 35. 8 plus 2 10. 5 plus 1 6. 6 plus 2 8. 5 plus 3 8. So it is 38,808. 38,808. So once again I am explaining formulas. First cube. Lateral surface area cube 4a square. Total surface area cube 6a square. And volume of cube a cube. Next to cuboid. Lateral surface area of cuboid 2h of L plus B. Total surface area of cuboid 2 half LB plus BH plus LH. Next volume of cuboid LBH. Next cone. Slant height of the cone L square is equal to R square plus H square. Next curved surface area of cone pi RL. Total surface area of cone pi R bracket L plus R. Volume of cone is equal to pi R square H by 3. Next sphere. Surface area is equal to 4 pi R square. Volume is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube. Next cylinder. Curved surface area of cylinder 2 pi RH. Total surface area of cylinder 2 pi r bracket H plus R. Next volume of cylinder pi r square H. So these are the formulas. Read well and write the exam well.